Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rediving deep into a tool that is an absolute game changer for anyone who owns or works on a Kawasaki jetski. We're talking about the Kawasaki KDS Marine Diagnostic System. If you've ever been stumped by a stubborn issue on your ski, or just want to take your maintenance game to the next level, you're going to want to stick around for this. So, what exactly is the KDS Marine Diagnostic System? Think of it as a direct line of communication with your jet ski's brain. This isn't just a generic code reader. It's a specialized, factory-level tool designed specifically for Kawasaki's personal watercraft. It plugs directly into your ski's diagnostic port and allows you to see exactly what the engine control unit is thinking. This is the kind of tech that dealerships use, and having access to it yourself is incredibly empowering. Let's break down what it can actually do. First and foremost, it reads and clears fault codes. Your modern jet ski is loaded with sensors, monitoring everything from engine temperature and oil pressure to the position of the throttle. When one of these sensors detects a problem, it sends a fault code to the ECU. The KDS system lets you see that exact code, taking all the guesswork out of troubleshooting. Instead of just knowing something's wrong, you'll know that. For example, your exhaust temperature sensor is reading out of range. That saves you a massive amount of time and money you might have spent just swapping parts hoping to find the fix. But it goes way beyond just reading codes. The KDS allows you to view live data streams from all the sensors in real time. You can watch the engine RPM, the throttle position percentage, the intake air temperature, and dozens of other parameters while the engine is running. This is invaluable for diagnosing intermittent problems that don't always set a code. Maybe your ski only hesitates at a certain RPM. With the live data, you can watch what every sensor is doing at that exact moment to pinpoint the culprit. It's like having X-ray vision for your engine's electronics. One of the most common and frustrating issues on any watercraft is a wiring problem. The constant vibration and harsh marine environment can take a toll on connections and wires. A wire might be frayed and only losing connection when the engine vibrates at a specific frequency. Trying to find that with a multimeter can be a nightmare. With the KDS, you can often spot the problem by watching the live data from the affected sensor. If you see the readings suddenly drop out or go erratic while you wiggle a harness, you've found your problem in minutes, not hours. The KDS also supports other critical systems on your Kawasaki jet ski. If your model is equipped with the anti-lock braking system, the KDS can communicate with that module as well, helping you diagnose any issues with the braking system's electronics. This is a safety feature you definitely don't want to ignore. And for owners of newer Kawasaki models, here's a big one. The KDS can diagnose the IDF system. That's the Intelligent Debris-Free System, Kawasaki's brilliant feature that lets you reverse the jet pump to clear out weeds or debris. If your IDF isn't working, it could be a simple sensor or actuator issue. The KDS can talk directly to the IDF control module, tell you exactly what's wrong, and even allow you to test the system's functions right from the screen. This can save you a costly trip to the dealer for what might be a very simple fix. Now, who is this tool for? It's obviously a must-have for independent marine mechanics who work on Kawasaki skis. It elevates your service from guesswork to precision diagnostics, but it's also becoming increasingly popular with serious enthusiasts and if you're the kind of person who does your own maintenance and wants to truly understand your machine. The investment in a KDS system can pay for itself very quickly. Think about the cost of just 1 or 2 diagnostic sessions at a dealership. The tool gives you the confidence to tackle more complex jobs yourself. In summary, the Kawasaki KDS Marine Diagnostic System is a powerful, specialized tool that unlocks a new level of control and understanding over your jet ski. It reads and clears ECU, ABS, and fuel system codes, provides live sensor data, and is essential for diagnosing modern features like the IDF system. It turns frustrating electronic guesswork into a clear, logical diagnostic process. It's the key to quickly finding issues caused by sensor failures, vibration-related wiring problems, and so much more. If you own a Kawasaki jet ski and love working on your own machine, I highly recommend looking into getting a KDS system. It will change the way you approach maintenance and repairs forever. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope you found this breakdown helpful. If you have any questions about the KDS or want to share your own experiences with it, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the water.